Hi, this is Steve Norman from Chicago. I just introduced you one of my projects that we started several months ago. I bought several months ago, but we just got the permit 2 weeks ago. Then we really started, and that's 1 week. But even this is just 1 week, we did lots of work. Okay, here you go. This is the front. Then we already took a siding, old siding, and then we tried to install the aluminum sidings. Look at this, all windows are new, right? We took all windows, over 20 windows, that we tried to frame. Right now it's wood, but we're gonna put the aluminum wrap cover on this. And then we took all the fascias, gutters. We're gonna install all new one. Let's go inside. And this is the situation. Yeah. In the different old video I introduced, originally this was a bedroom, but we took down the wall. We put like a one living room here. This side is a dining. We have a kitchen here. Then originally we have a closet and also bathroom here. We are making a little bit bigger bathroom here. Then we're gonna make a smaller closet. And then this is a new one big bedroom. This is the biggest one. And this is a door. We came in here. And then we took the wall here. And this was a extension part, but we combined into one bedroom here. We are making one big closet here. Alright. And then I'm gonna show you the basement first. This is a kitchen area. Then this goes to the basement. Okay, we're gonna make a one family room, one bedroom, and then laundry, utility, and bathroom. Yeah, this is a small bedroom, and then this is a family room. This is a laundry room. Laundry room we already installed. All plumbing works is done from the kitchen, and then we're gonna install this kind of plumbing. This is a laundry area, therefore washer, dryer here. Then this connecting with the main drain. Main drain goes straight to the street. This is a connection. Then next we have here. This is a utility room. All right, this is originally we had the chimney here. We took all the chimney all the way to the second floor. Then we installed this kind of pipe, plumbing pipe. Then this is connecting main drain. Plumbing is connecting with the main drain. Then this side we're gonna make a big bathroom here in the basement. Okay, and then utility room and small closet and storage, and then bathroom. This is the basement. And then, as I said, this is a family room. Then I'm going to introduce you to the second floor. We are trying to make a 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath. And originally, we had the one big. Originally, we had the chimney here. Therefore, we had a very small hallway. Since we took the chimney here, then we could make a nice size of the hallway. And then first, we're gonna make a 1 bathroom here, then 1 bedroom, then this is another bedroom. It's a kind of L-shaped bedroom, but this is a 2 bedroom and 1 full bath on the second floor. Okay, we just it took only 1 week. It's only 1 week, but we did lots of work for this one. All right, I just want to report to you. Thank you very much. See you next one.